with Laura Tobin. Hi.
Hi, pretty grey and uninspiring weather outside, I'm afraid, today. Sophie, grey skies for many of us, pretty damp and drizzly as well. If we look at the satellite picture, we can see the veil of cloud nearly masking the UK. It's been sweeping in from the south through the morning, continuing its progress northwards, bringing with it damp, drizzly conditions. Associated with it in the west, a band of what will be some heavy rain, but just to the north of Scotland, some breaks in the cloud here, dry through the afternoon, still holding on to some of that cooler air. Highs here around about 4 or 5 degrees. Damp and drizzly with rain for northern areas of England, still towards the Midlands and Lincolnshire and Yorkshire. That fog lingering, temperatures here really struggling, 1 or 2 degrees at best. In the south, a glimmer of some brightness through the course of the afternoon, but for most, cloudy, grey skies, these overcast conditions stretching right the way down to the southwest of England as well. Cloud thick enough across Wales to give some damp, drizzly weather here and there. Grey and gloomy, I'm afraid. No brightness here through the afternoon. And for Northern Ireland, here we have a weather system approaching, bringing with it some heavier rain, and that will continue through the afternoon and on into this evening. Heavy rain also pushing into Wales and the southwest of England, sweeping eastwards through this evening and overnight tonight. A spell of hill snow for a short time across the hills of Scotland. But tonight, with the cloud and the rain, no frost around, temperatures typically 3 to 6 degrees. I'm afraid Friday across eastern areas starts on quite a wet note. Rain heavy for a time, a spell of hill snow for the northern hills of England and southern hills of Scotland. But then through the day, the skies will brighten. Sunshine comes out across southern England, Wales and for Northern Ireland. Temperatures here 8 or 9 degrees, so that should feel very nice indeed. Watch out though for some showers towards the southwest of England and Wales. They'll be pretty heavy as we head through Friday evening. And then on into the weekend, we stick with that cloud. A lot of it, very grey skies for many, but generally dry. So if you're planning on heading out and about for the weekend, say to the rugby, dry for both of the games. Ireland should see some sunshine. England and Wales, cloudy. Coverage of these throughout the weekend on BBC One and Radio 5 Live. So Saturday and Sunday, particularly across the eastern areas, will be very cloudy, very grey, pretty overcast in the west, though. On Saturday, the promise of seeing some sunshine. 7 to 9 degrees, feeling very nice, but in Plymouth later on Sunday, it will cloud over and there will be some rain. But for most of us through the next few days, it looks set to be cloudy and dry.
Laura, thank you very much. And that's it from us. Now on BBC One, we join the BBC News teams.